If you run into an issue like this one, where you're unable to access the EnterpriseOne menu from a FAT client, you'll need to reinstall the HTML web server. You'll want to navigate to the Start menu and Control Panel. Add Remove Programs. Then select the HTML web server and click on Change Remove. That will automatically remove the web server. The next step is to install the web server. To do that, we want to navigate to our deployment server. Click on Start, then My Computer. Then navigate to your deployment server. We want to go into the E812 folder, and then the One World Client install folder, then the third-party folder, the Web Dev Feature folder. Then, depending on your version, you'll want to pick either h4a6_setup.exe, that's for WebSphere 6. If you're on 6.1, you'd select the one right below it, h4a61. Now, as it is trying to install, you might get an error stating, "Unable to install HTML web server over product. Installed product has a newer version." If you do get such an error, just rename one of the folders under the Program Files folder. Let's close out of this window. We're going to open My Computer. Then Local Disk C, Program Files, Common Files, Install Shield, Universal. Then just rename the Common folder to anything. When that's done, you can reinstall the web server again, and that should resolve the problem for you. Now that we have our web server installed, test it in EnterpriseOne. Go up to the Tools menu, then EnterpriseOne menu. We're going to fast forward here, but it can take 5 to 10 minutes to load initially. As you can see, our problem is resolved.